Hey feds, here's a great question for those of you who work part-time. The question in one of our workshops that was asked was, does part-time even count? And the answer is yes, and the answer is no, it doesn't. But it does count, but not full. But let me explain. For purposes of eligibility, let's say you worked for 5 years of federal service, all part-time. Does that count toward your eligibility? Yes. A full 5 years counts toward your part-time. You don't have to take like part-time because you were working part-time. You know, it isn't just, oh, I worked half the year and so, yeah, no, the full-time counts. However, when you go to figure out how much money you get, that's a little bit different. Because what they do is they take a look at the hours that you have worked over the stretch of your whole career with the federal government, and they determine how much you'll get from that. So really in the formula, you would, if you're FERS employees, you do your high 3 times years of service. So it would, in this example, be the full 5 times 1.0, let's say. And that's great. So that whole time would count, but then what they would do is they would prorate it for the number of hours you actually worked. So the dollar amount comes out less, but because you worked for 5 years, and if you're 62, you're fully eligible. So the 5 years count toward eligibility, just not fully toward all the money. So it's really interesting because they split those two and they're very different, but yet they're very similar at the same time, and it confuses a lot of people. So if you would like, share, subscribe, and comment, ask questions, do it all. In fact, come to one of our workshops, ask more questions. We'd be happy to answer those for you.